have to undermine everything I do, Martha. I try to do something new and interesting, and you're always there to ruin it. I mean, are you jealous of my ambition or my body or what?
Jealous? Are you kidding? Stop turning this on me. Maybe I would support your decisions if they were less ruthless, dairy. But you're just too irresponsible.
So I do one little play with horsecock, and that's what you call irresponsible?
Horsecock has killed people. Yes, that was a terrible idea.
Well, I say it takes courage to play with horsecock. But you would know nothing about that.
I was a bull milk taste tester before I met you. And I would be okay with the horsecock if it, weren't the whole damn thing. Take the first couple inches, be safe. Don't let it spit roast you. Living a life of danger and bravery is not the idea. Now I'm stuck cleaning up after this.
Oh, yeah? What is that supposed to mean in your varying accent?
I'm trying. All right,
That's
calm down.
doorbell.
Somebody's at the door.
I am calm. What?
Sometimes it's hard to stay with the right accent. Well, answer it, Daryl.
Hi.
What do you want?
Excuse me, Mr. and Mrs. Clemens.
Hello, neighbor. Good to see you again. What brings you here? Oh, sorry.
Perfect.
I don't
Good
mean
job,
to
Jennifer.
disturb you, but I couldn't
No, you
help
better
but
back
hear
up.
some loud noises coming from here.
Noises? From here? No.
Yeah, almost like some kind of stuffing the pointy end of a pineapple up your ass.
Honey bun, did you hear any stuffing the pointy end of a pineapple up your ass by chance?
I told you to stop screaming it. Everything is fine and dandy over here, neighbor.
Listen, I think you two are nice people.
I
Did you
am.
hear
She's
that,
not.
honey? We're nice people.
I mean, yes,
Nice
we are.
people who
We
fake
are nice people.
responsibility for their actions.
That's right. That's right. That's us, all right.
So if you could please keep it down, I would appreciate it. Normally I wouldn't say anything, but I'm trying to concentrate on my yoga and meditations. I'm trying to master the salutations to the sun. And I need reasonable
Cool.
silence to properly channel my chin.
Duly noted. Good luck with that. Salutations to the sun. Bye-bye now.
That sounds like an infection, dear. I would see a doctor about that. Classic Daryl, always dodging responsibility.
Okay, enough with picking out my flaws.
First, you play with horsecock, and now you can't admit to having an out-of-control temper.
My temper is totally manageable.
Then why were we having such a problem with that damn pineapple? You're like, hey, my ass after eating chocolate Pop-Tarts whenever somebody mentions your you-know-what. And it's embarrassing, Daryl. The neighbor now knows about it. If you just put some damn lube on the thing, you wouldn't have so much problem. And bleeding.
Ow. I know.
You're my ass.
You said you're okay with my ass. With my ass. I meant
With it when it's not bleeding? And, leaving stains on the couch and the bed and the TV. Why is it on the TV, Daryl? Why?
I mean, we do have
What were
red
you
carpet at least.
I've always hated your ass, and I'm sick of having to hide it.
But you're my wife. Why don't you clean my ass like a normal wife?
The last time I tried to do that, it almost sucked me in. No! You're so dead. Come in. It's you again.
Excuse me.
Hello, neighbor. Is there a problem?
I could still hear you yelling. Don't try to deny it. I'm trying to keep my inner peace. I really am. I'm calm like a penis yogurt. But if you don't keep it down, I'm going to have to call the police. Because this is just ridiculous.
So sorry. We'll keep it down. Besides, there's nothing more to discuss. So why don't you shut your mouth and get the salutations to the sun in your sad, lonely house? Good day. And good riddance. As for you...
Whoa.
What? What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. It's just... I mean, you really showed that nosy neighbor who's boss.
Yeah, well, I guess I'm just fired up from all this drama, ass tentacles bleeding, and all the other crap. Pineapples and lube and...
But, you're pretty un-GPX when you're upset.
Oh, Daryl, you're just calling me un-GPX because I'm mad at you.
How mad at you? Do you want to slap me?
Maybe. I do want to slap you after all you put me through today, but I don't want to have to clean up the blood afterward.
Well,
Or the other fluids.
why don't we go upstairs and you can get your revenge for all my play with my horse cock and fluids.
Bring a bucket. This time I expect you to sit over it. We can try salutations to sun position, right? That sounded kind of hot, even if it did sound like a medical condition.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. All right. It is done.
There's nothing wrong.
Who did I make puke?
We still have those
Yeah,